fact that the corporate sector has stepped up, the fact that PTCL has stepped up, Ufone has stepped up, when everybody else is more interested in show, you guys are actually doing things to create a real change. Like I said earlier, almost for 20 years on my morning shows and various other platforms, I've been talking about inclusivity. I've done various shows about inclusivity. We talk about inclusivity, but the people that we're trying to include aren't included in it. So how does that work? How is it going to work unless we include them and include ourselves? And it stops being an us and them and it just becomes a we. And fortunately, with technology, we can do that.
Here and start signing, but we almost forgot that you guys don't understand sign language. And in order for you to understand what I'm saying, you guys need an interpreter. So, do you guys all want to learn sign language? Yes or no? Yes? If you guys can clap.
This is my name sign, Zehra. I am a deaf trainer at ConnectHear. Not only that, but for 33 years of my life, I also worked as a banker in the banking industry. But most importantly, I am Azima's mother, the co-founder of ConnectHear. She is my daughter and I'm very proud of that. My purpose over here on stage is to tell you about the journey of a deaf person. I'm a deaf daughter. I've been a deaf student, you would think. Simple things like getting a debit card, which is everyone's right, was denied to me just because of me being deaf. Not only that, but I remember whenever I had to go for even a doctor's appointment, I had to ask my children not to go to school and come with me so they could interpret those doctor's appointments for us. You might think these are very simple things in life, but you might take it for granted because they were actually so difficult for us. In 2017,